Nicki Minaj is a popular rapper and singer who has won many awards. She has released many hit songs and albums. She is also a songwriter and model. Minaj is a popular of the songs " żtаrẓhірẓ", Anasonda, Say So, and Trollz. Over the years, she has established and has served as a judge of the reality TV show American Idol. Biography and early life. The real name of Nicki Minaj is Onіkਾ Tanуа Маrај-Реttу. She was born on December 8, 1982 in St. James, Trinidad and Tobago. She is the daughter of Sarol Maraj and Robert Maraj. Her mother is a gospel singer and her father works as a financial executive. During childhood, she saw a lot of hardships as her father was an alcoholic. Her siblings are Jelani, Maya, Mikaya, and Ming. Nicki Minaj was raised in St. James by her grandmother. Later, she moved to New York City along with her mother. Her father died in February 2021 at the age of 64. Age, height, weight, and body measurement. So, how old is Nicki Minaj in 2021 and what is her height and weight? Tell. Nicki Minaj's age is 38 years old as of today's date, 12th September 2021, having been born on 8th December 1982. She is a 5 feet 1 inch and 157 cm in centimeters tall. She was about 137 in pound and 62 kg in kilograms. Her eye color is black and hair color is black. Education. After coming to New York, Nicki Minaj enrolled at the Florello H. LaGuardia High School of Music and Art and Performing Arts. She wanted to become an actress but struggles with her acting career. During this time, she used to do many odd jobs. Nicki Minaj has also been to the LaGuardia Community College. Personal life, dating, boyfriends, husbands, kids. In 2019, Nicki Minaj got married to Kenneth Ẓau Petty, who is her childhood friend. Kenneth is provisionally incarcerated for 4 years. The couple has a son born in 2020. She was provisionally in a relationship with Safari Samuel from 2000 to 2014. In 2015, she started dating Meek Mill. Following their breakup, she was in a relationship with Nas for a brief period. Net worth, salary and earnings of Nicki Minaj in 2021. As of 2021, Nicki Minaj has an estimated net worth of $100 million. She has sold millions of albums across the world. Her albums and songs have been certified platinum on multiple occasions. Part of her income also comes from her career as an actress and TV personality. She is highly talented and has done many endeavors in her career. Nicki Minaj has endorsed many brands and has also come up with many products. She has launched many fragrances including Pink Friday, The Pink Print, Trainee Girl and Queen. She has come up with a luxury clothing company called Fendi. Additionally, she owns Tidal, which a music streaming services. She has also been the face of many leading designers. Some interesting facts you need to know. The favorite color of Nicki Minaj is pink. She started her career by being a member of quartet group. She was got many nicknames including Harajuku, Barbie and Nicki the Ninja. Nicki Minaj has the ability to play different musical instruments. As a teenager, she was expecting mother. She has been married many times. Nicki Minaj is a luxury house. Address requires premium membership. Beverly Hills, CA. 9 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 10,30,37 square foot.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
How many siblings does Nicki Minaj have? The singer has 4 siblings in total. Brandon Lamar, Jelani marriage, Nicki marriage and Ming marriage in November 2017. Jelani was convicted to assault. He says he innocent and the case of the work of someone trying to export 25 million from has a famous sister.